Hello, check. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest and Presider of today's event, Ms. Himani Meena, IAS, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Lower Subansiri District. Honorable Guest of Honor, Professor D. Jivan Kumar. Invited guests, Mrs. Melanie and Dr. Ordeta Mendoza, Reverend Father Ernest Karmong Long, the Vice Principal, St. Claret College, Zero, Dr. Bhaboglang Soklet, Coordinator, IQAC, esteemed HODs and faculty members, our distinguished class of 2025, proud parents and family members, Reverend Sisters, well-wishers, RGU rank holders, my beloved students, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the 2025 commencement ceremony of St. Claret College Autonomous Zero. First, let us acknowledge and thank our esteemed guests, the management, faculty, and staff who have guided and supported our graduates throughout their educational journey. As we begin this commencement ceremony, I, on behalf of St. Claret College Zero, sincerely greet and welcome our chief guest, who is also the presider of today's ceremony, Madam Himani Meena, IAS Additional Deputy Commissioner Zero, Lower Subansiri District. IAS Ms. Himani Meena received her primary education from Pragyan Public School, Jiwar, and went on to pursue higher studies at the University of Delhi. She graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science from Lady Shri Ram College and later completed her MPhil. Her solid educational background laid a strong foundation for her civil services preparation. Ms. Himani Meena is currently posted as the Additional Deputy Commissioner, ADC in Zero, Lower Subansiri District, Arunachal Pradesh. Her journey exemplifies the resilience and dedication needed to succeed in the UPSC. Ma'am, you are truly an inspiration to all of us, to each one of us. We are so privileged to have you in our midst to grace this occasion as a chief guest and the presider of this event. Hearty welcome, dear ma'am. Let us welcome ma'am with a huge round of applause. Let's keep that hand going as we welcome Ms. Himani Meena. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Father. Thank you, students. I am pleased to welcome our guest of honor of today's event, Professor D. Jivan Kumar. Dr. D. Jivan Kumar attained superannuation from Bangalore University as Professor of Political Science in 2016. His areas of specialization include development, politics and administration, Indian government and politics, and Gandhian studies. He was a Fulbright Fellow in the USA in 2003, a Schomburg Fellow at Ramapo College, New Jersey, USA in 2011, and a Fellow at Salzburg Seminar in Austria in 1997. He was invited to deliver guest lectures at the United Nations University, Tokyo in 2007 and 2008, and at the George Mason University, USA in 2011. He has presented papers at international seminars and conferences in the USA, Germany, Belgium, France, Japan, Nepal, Bangladesh, and South Africa. And he has also edited so many books. He is currently an honorary professor at the Mahatma Gandhi Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University, Gadag, Karnataka, visiting professor, St. Claret College Autonomous 0, adjunct professor in Christu Jayanti College Autonomous Bangalore, chairperson of CIVIC Bangalore, managing trustee Sarvodaya International Trust, and secretary Indian Institute of Public Administration Karnataka, regional branch, Bengaluru. Dear sir, we are so honored to have you in our midst, and I express my heartfelt welcome to you, sir. Once again, let's give a grand round of applause to Professor Jeevan. Thank you, Father. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. I also want to welcome our invited guest, Mrs. Melanie. Mrs. Melanie is Professor Jeevan's beloved wife. And another invited guest, Dr. Odetta Mendoza. Thank you so much for sparing your precious time to be with us today. Let's give them a round of applause. I sincerely welcome our respected Vice Principal, Reverend Father Ernest Carmolong. Father, you have always been our source of encouragement and inspiration. Your selfless service and support are demonstrated in ways unimaginable. Hearty welcome, dear Father. I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome Reverend Father Denzi and Reverend Father Suboth. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated fathers for their tireless work, and we welcome you to this event. It is my great pleasure to welcome the heads of various departments, my esteemed colleagues, and our respected teachers, without whom the students are not complete. Your dedication and commitment have been instrumental in shaping the minds of these remarkable individuals. Hearty welcome all the HODs and our dear teachers. Please allow me to speak a few words in Hindi. मैं हमारे ग्रेजुएट्स के माता पिता, परिवार वाले और दोस्तों का दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। आज सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट्स का ही नहीं, बल्कि उनके माता पिता के मेहनत को भी सेलिब्रेट करना का दिन है, क्योंकि बच्चों के सक्सेस में उनके माता पिता का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। बच्चों के पढ़ाई के सफ़र में उनको हिम्मत और उत्साह देने के लिए सभी माता पिता का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सभी स्टूडेंट्स को उनके माता पिता के साथ इस तरह देखना बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद जैसा है। इसलिए आज यहाँ आप सभी का खुशी खुशी स्वागत करती हूँ। Let's give them a huge round of applause. To our beloved students, class of 2025, today marks a significant milestone in your lives. You have worked tirelessly, overcome challenges, and persevered to reach this moment. Your hard work, determination, and resilience have brought you here, and you should be incredibly pleased of your achievements. On behalf of the college fraternity, I warmly welcome my dear graduates. Throughout your time, I still have a few words to say to all of you. Throughout your time at SCCZ, you have not only gained knowledge, but also formed lasting friendships, developed critical thinking skills, and discovered your passions. These experiences have prepared you to embrace the future with confidence and courage. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, remember that education does not end here. As I've always reminded you that education is from womb to the tomb. Continue to seek knowledge, embrace new challenges, and strive for excellence in everything you do. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you to explore and conquer. We have full assurance that you will carry the values and lessons learned here into the world, making meaningful contributions to society. Whether you are pursuing further education, entering the workforce, or embarking on other escapades, know that you have the potential and the essence to succeed. Be true to your endeavors and never quit. Graduates, as you leave this institution, remember the saying that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Be bold, be different, and never stop believing in your ability. But most of all, believe in God. The future is yours to behold. Let us once again welcome all the graduating batch of 2025 with a resounding round of applause. I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome all the rank holders. Congratulations to all the rank holders for your outstanding achievement. You have worked so hard and pushed your abilities to the limit to make this success happen. You truly are an inspiration to us. This amazing accomplishment is just one step on your journey. May you continue to strive for excellence, succeed, grow, and reach the highest peak of your career. Once again, welcome to the 2025 graduation ceremony of SCCZ. Let us celebrate the achievements of our graduates and the bright futures that lie ahead. Today we bid you farewell. Thank you for the many contributions you have made. You are our ambassadors. Spread the word that SCCZ is a good place to be in. Thank you all for being here today. Let's make this a memorable and joyous celebration. Thank you, and may God bless each and every